Well, my granddaughter's getting a Barbie Dream House for Christmas, and I got elected to put it together, so I thought I would just do a quick video on how it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it out of the box. I'm going to show you what it looks like in all the parts, and then I'm going to do a time-lapse video. I'm going to make you watch me put it together step by step, and at the end, if you stay with me, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you what give me trouble, what was easy, and things to look out for. So let's take it out of the box right quick. Well, here's what it looks like taken out of the box and all the parts. Let's do a quick time-lapse video, and I'll be back and I'll tell you how long it took me. So let's get started. Well guys, as you can see, I'm finished. Took me about 40 minutes to put it together, then it took probably another 20 minutes to put the decals and set some of the items around, put some of the, like the refrigerator and the couch. Actually still got quite a few. I'm just going to let my granddaughter put them where she wants them. Follow the directions. So all this stuff just snaps together. It's very easy, it goes together real easy, but I really suggest that you follow the directions. If you got an hour, give yourself at least an hour. If you're not good at following directions, you might want to give yourself a little longer. But other than that, it turned out well. I'm 6 foot tall, and you can see where it comes on me. So hopefully this helps you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Till next time, catch you later.